Alright, so what we need to do now is just connect the tentacles to the body to the stalks. And so let's prep that. And so let's take a look at what we've got here. Now this bit's going to be a bit weird. As you can see, it could be just a little bit difficult. So what we can do is first switch off soft select. I'm going to hit 1. And what it is, I want to bring this... I want to slide this edge loop up is basically what I'm trying to say. So go to mesh tools, click on slide edge and just the middle mouse click, drag and just lift it up a little bit. There we go. Alright, just so we can see that bit. And the same here. Let's grab this edge loop here, middle mouse drag, and I'm going to lift it up just so we can see it. So it's going to be easy for us to it's going to be easy basically just to connect everything together. Alright, so how are we going to do that? Well, we have this selected. What we need to do is go here and select this magnet here. And it's what it does, it's called make live, and you can tell that the object is live because it goes dark green and basically acts as a magnet. And if we select this tool here, quad draw tool, we can actually just click dots on it, and then if you hover the cursor between the 4 dots and hold down shift, you get this green illuminated shape, and then click and you've created a polygon. You see now the minute it's pretty transparent, and that's because we've got ambient occlusion switched on, so just boom, switch that off and there you go. And so click, hold down shift, boom, and you can actually just like move these points around. You can move the edges and the faces, and basically what you're doing is you're sticking polygons onto the surface, as you can see. And if you hold down control, you can add resolution, shift control, you can delete resolution, and basically if you hold down shift in an area and it illuminates green, it means you're ready to add a polygon, and all you do is click on the mouse and there you go. You can hold down shift and actually like relax the geometry. There you go. And that's basically the essence of creating polygons. Right, okay, so once you're done with it, you just click off it and right click object mode, and if we just select it, you can see that it has conformed to the shape of our character. Alright, let's delete it and let's do it for real now. Okay, so here is to switch it off and select the geometry and switch on make live. There we go. Grab the quad draw tool and let's start drawing. And so first thing I like to do is draw around the important stuff. Like here you got the mouth here, so if you click along here and use this curve as a guide, you can actually start drawing out the mouth and basically just use large shapes. Bring that across here, and this bit here for the mouth. And we can just continue. Not there, but sometimes the quad draw tool gets confused. Like there, want it there here. There we go. There you have it. So as you can see, if we switch off it and then right click object mode and go into isolate, you can see we've created the geometry that goes around the mouth. And it was a fairly simple process. Right, okay, so let's take a look and isolate and click on the quad draw. And so when the geometry turns blue, it means you're in the quad draw is active. Alright, so next thing we need to do is work out how we're going to create the geometry around the tentacles and also the eye stalks. And so what we need to do is a couple of things. First of all, I'm just going to switch off make live, and then what I want to do is go into edge mode and select the edge loop, and as you can see here under the information it says edges 12, so it's we've got 12 edges that go around here. Okay, so with that knowledge, let's go back into Make Live, grab the quad draw tool. So we need to create 12 polygons, so it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we now know that the stalk will attach to the geometry here, and we need to do it for this side as well. So it's 12. So that's 5 so far. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There you go, and I believe the tentacles we did 10, but first thing I want to do is switch off Make Live, grab all the tentacles and just hit 1, just so they're in low res mode, and just to double check it is 10, double click on it, and let's take a look at the information. There you go, can you see that? 10. So we need to do 10. So go back into Make Live, grab the geometry, and then hit quad draw tool. And let's take a look. Switch off Make Live just for now. I just want to hide it. And quad draw tool. Yeah, they're separate. Okay, now we don't want them to be separate, so select all the pieces, go to mesh and combine. Let's delete history. Let's bring this geometry back, select it, Make Live, grab this, quad draw tool. There you go. So it's one piece because we want it to be all one piece, and so we've got to create 10. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we now know that that's going to connect, and so we're going to do the same with all the tentacles. So it's 10, and you've got to be careful here because you want the geometry to connect, and so we can just bring this in a bit closer and just do that. And so this will be 1, there we go, and 2, not there, but okay, when you have a problem with this where you want the polygon to go here but it's connected with this, what I tend to do is just stretch it forward so it kind of occupies the space, and then boom, you see, and then just push it back, and so we have what we want. And we want to kind of try and match this actually, so there we go. So we've made a connection. Okay, so we've got to go around and 10, so I believe that's 3, 4, 5, and I'm just following basically the edge loops here as a guide. So and there you have it. So that's 2 tentacles connected, just 3 more to go. So we're going to pause the video here. I don't want this video to go on too long, and so we can continue with this process next video.